Download Windows 11. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to download Windows 11. So to download the Windows 11, visit microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. So Microsoft is distributing the Windows 11 ISO, and here you will find three options to download the Windows 11. First is Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So this is the best option for installing Windows 11 on device you are currently using. So you can use the download link to download the Windows 11. Second option is to create the Windows 11 installation media. So here you have to download the media creation tool, which will create the media. So this tool will allow you to create the media of Windows 11. You can write into the USB or DVD or even save as an ISO. Third option is to directly download the Windows 11 ISO image. So we'll see this option for creating the Windows 11 installation media. Click download and media creation tool is downloaded. You click here. So Windows media creation tool will start. So Windows 11 media creation tool is starting. So now it is displaying the software license term. You can go through the term and you can agree it or decline it. So after accepting, we will get the option to download the ISO file. So the language is English, United States and Windows 11. Next, and you can create the USB flash drive or download the ISO file. So I will download the ISO file, which can be later burned into the DVD or USB flash drive. Click next and it is downloading into the My Documents folder. So save. Now it is downloading the Windows 11 files and it will create the ISO file. Now it is verifying the downloaded files. Now the 97% is completed, 98%. %. Yeah, now it is created the Windows ISO here. I can go to this I have Windows 11 ISO, which is around 4.22 GB. So you can open the DVD burner and then burn the ISO. So we have successfully downloaded the Windows 11 ISO. In the next video, I will show you how you can burn this ISO file into the ISO into USB pen drive so that you can install it from the USB. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.